Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. You must be wondering what I'm doing in my bathroom. I'm not going to make any auto video today, or either computer or phone, even Sheru, my Alaskan Malamute, my lovely boy. Today's video going to be all about me, how I keep myself looking better, looking handsome, looking young. If you found this video to be helpful, please give me thumbs up. So today's product I'm going to share with you is a hair product, and the reason I wanted to share with you, I have used this product and quite frankly, honestly, I've been really impressed with this product. And this product is from Simpler Hair Color. Only reason I wanted to share with you that this one does not require much work as compared to other products. Top of that, this is organic product and which does not affect your body itself. Many people do complain that when they're using a hair color, they get reactions. This product has no side effect. As far I know, it could be different for anybody, but when it comes to organic, that means this product will be good for you. So I'm just going to say that please try. If you having issues with other products which causing a problem, skin irritation or anything, then this product is for you. The best part I like about this product, you really don't need to do a lot of things to cover up yourself, and this one is very simple. You don't have to mix it. I'm going to show you and you will find out and you will be very much pleased. Within 5 minutes you are ready to go. So without wasting any time, let's get started. This is a Simpler Hair Color product and I'll open it. It has a brochure, so read through. Inside the pouch, the product you're going to get, the hair color. This is the brush, and then you're going to get the gloves, cleaning wipe, and then stain guard. When you open this, so this is very simple to use it. Get a brush, then you press it and it will release two creams. So we're going to press it. So now let me show you on a close-up. So you've seen it in close-up. When we press the button, it releases two cream. Good thing about it, you really don't need to put any overcoat because it's not going to make any mess, and you don't need to mix it together. You simply, what do? You just comb it. So you apply that. So once you're done, the same thing we're going to do. Get those two creams and apply it. As you can see, just combing it, the colors start to change. You just need a little amount and then put it on and just do it like this. I'm going to continue doing that and I'll fast forward and you will see it, and once I'm done, then I will share with you. So as you can see, it does not take that long. This one has a good, nice comb. So once you apply it and then keep combing, it will take care of all your gray hair. As you've seen it took me only a couple of minutes and I just keep combing. A good thing, if you see my hands are very clean. I would leave it for 5 minutes, then I'm going to take a shower. This is the good thing I like about this product, there is no mess. Let me share with you, once I take a shower, then I will show you that all the gray hairs are gone. I can wait 5 more minutes or I can take a shower just right now, real quick. So this is very fast, easy and simple to do it. And this product, you can use it multiple times. As you can see, I just use it maybe 5-6 times. You can get dark black color. I got black browns. They have 5 different textures in it, different colors. I'll provide the link under my description, so please check it out. If you click that link, and you can get up to 10 to 20% discount depending on what product you are getting or how many products you are getting. Once I take the shower, then I'll share with you. I'm out of my shower, and one good thing which I really like about this product, that I use other hair colors, and when I use any towel, it leaves a stain on the towel. Not only that, for a couple of days, even after a couple of days, every day taking shower, still is, you get the stain on the towels. And not only that, when I go to the bed, on my pillowcase, I can see it, that there are stains. And if you look at now, see, it's nicely done. It did not took me long. So you see, it's all done. As for the brush, it takes only few seconds to clean it. And if you notice that the gloves, cleaning wipes, stain guard, I did not use it. I didn't use it because this product don't make any mess. And especially this product will be for those people who are very sensitive to any products which causing them irritation. And this is organic product. I hope you will like this product, and like always, like, share and subscribe my channel. I do have another channel for delicious cooking and recipe, Easy Steps Cooking. So please check it out that as well. And I'm going to see you soon with another video. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.